Hey guys, I'm here with a box break of Press Pass 8-second trading cards, which is a PBR, which is professional bull riding. There's autograph cards, memorabilia cards in here. I think there's 24 packs with 5 cards in each pack. There's 100 cards in the base set, some inserts and everything just like that. So let's get right into it. Rider cards, the bull cards right there, and the short code. And just kind of go through these pretty quick, just to get a feel for the set. The bull cards there, really cool looking. And the rider card artwork, featuring all the riders there. And then there's a luck of the draw card with the bull and a rider. And there's a Spur Crazy insert card. And they're pretty cool looking. And there's an entertainer. And then the short co. There's 2 inserts. There's a Spur Crazy and then like a belt buckle type. And then there's obviously the memorabilia and the autograph. And there's one of the belt buckle inserts. These are some of my favorite there. I think these are numbered to 9. And the Spur Crazy are numbered to 12. And there's memorabilia right there. Cody Campbell, event used shirt. Pretty cool. You can see there, congratulations. Authentic there. Pretty cool. Oh, there's another belt buckle, Chris Shivers. Haven't really looked into the odds on the inserts, but and there's another Spur Crazy. It's Ty Murray. A pretty cool set. I like it so far. Opened a couple of value boxes just to see if I like it, and it's a pretty cool set. So with only 100 cards in the base set, you will get a lot of doubles, but you should get the whole base set from one box here. So that's a good thing about. And there we go. Another one of those belt buckle inserts. There's a Spur Crazy. And there's a bullfighter card. Another bullfighter. There's a Spur Crazy. A few more packs here. There's another bullfighter. A lot of the bulls' names are really cool, like the last one was Deja Blue, Pearl Snap, and something like that. Really unique. And there's another bullfighter. Alright, there's the last one. And that's the box. We did get our relic right there of Cody Campbell, a game-used shirt. It's really cool. And we got a few inserts. We got 4 Spur Crazies and 3 of the belt buckle inserts. So, thanks for watching, guys, and hope you enjoyed. See you later.